Did you know that 10-minute kneading rule everyone follows is completely wrong? I'm about to prove it with two identical doughs that will shock you. Here's the thing. Viral recipes tell you to knead for exactly 10 minutes, but real bakers never use timers. They use something called the window pane test. Watch this. I'm making two doughs with the exact same ingredients. Dough 1 gets kneaded for exactly 10 minutes like the internet says. Dough 2 gets kneaded until it passes the window pane test, where you can stretch it thin enough to see through without tearing. Look at this difference already. The timer dough feels lumpy and tears easily, but the window pane dough is smooth and stretchy. That's because gluten development depends on your flour, humidity, and temperature, not some random time limit. After baking, the results are insane. The 10-minute bread is dense and heavy. The window pane bread is light and airy with perfect texture. Professional bakers have known this secret forever. Stop watching the clock and start watching your dough. Your bread will never be the same.